Hi fella. If you are a man of age above 21, and still you are not able to grow a luscious, dense beard, then this video is going to make you high. Disclaimer. Number 1. This video content is not about boring theoretical stuffs dealing with chemicals and hormones and human body science. Number 2. This video content is based on true practicalities and difficulties that I dealt with while growing my beard. Number 3. If you do have facial hair follicles here and there, then you can continue to watch. Without further blah blah, let's go to step number 1. Grab a pan full of lukewarm hot water after getting up in the morning. Use your hand or towel to dip into. Apply and massage your facial hair follicles as shown. This process helps you to get rid of the dirts and impurities you have on your face. Step number 2. Grab a beard comb and just comb your facial hair along the direction of its grain. Step number 3. Grab an oil-free face wash and squeeze it in your hands. Apply in a circular manner and take some time doing that. During this time, please do feel your facial hair cells getting regenerated. Wash your face with cold water. Just wipe it down with your towel. Step number 4. Regardless of whatever brand of beard oil you do have, grab a couple of drops of beard oil and apply it on your face. Just massage your face. Feel your hair follicle coming out of your epidermal cells, making you more manlier than you have ever been. Step number 5. Again, comb your beard, with the direction of the grain. You can comb your beard using either a comb or a brush. Maybe your old toothbrush. Use your stuff wisely. If you do have some hair follicles, then this will definitely help out your patchy furs to grow furthermore. The upcoming videos will be about growing a beard, starting from scrap to full. Hope this video pleased you. Make sure to follow these steps regularly, with your morning routine. Be brave, live young, and stay charmed. Bye bye.